In 1964, Nigeria barely had universities of her own. But inside one of the most guarded nuclear physics laboratories in Cambridge, England, a young Igbo man was standing where no Nigerian had ever been allowed to stand. He had just become the first Nigerian in history to hold a PhD in nuclear and high-energy particle physics. Not the first from Lagos, not the first from Ibadan, not even the first from the old Eastern region. He was from Asaba, he was Enuani, and he was fully, undeniably Igbo. His name was Professor Frank Nwachukwu Ndili, and by the time this story ends, Cambridge won't even be the most important thing he did. On the 6th of October 1934 in Asaba, Delta State, Frank Nwachukwu Ndili grew up on the same soil that has produced generations of Igbo scholars, engineers, and statesmen. Asaba is Enuani. Asaba is Igbo. That is not opinion. It is history, language, and lineage. He attended St. Patrick's College, Asaba, from 1950 to 1954. From there, he went to the University of Ibadan, where between 1957 and 1961, he did something rare for the time. He graduated with first-class honors in physics. First-class graduates get noticed. Cambridge noticed him. Between 1961 and 1964, Ndili studied at the University of Cambridge, and in 1964, he earned his PhD in nuclear and high-energy particle physics, becoming the first Nigerian in history to hold that specific doctorate. 1 year later, in 1965, the Italian Physical Society in Eris, Italy, awarded him the Alberti Tomasini Prize. He was also made a fellow of the British Institute of Physics in London, a recognition reserved for physicists at the top of their field. But Professor Frank Ndili didn't stop there. He lectured in physics at the University of Ibadan from 1964 into the late 1960s. He worked as a visiting scientist at the International Center in Trieste, Italy. And from 1968 to 1971, he served as Principal Scientific Officer at the Dewsbury Nuclear Physics Research Laboratory in Warrington, England. Here is where honesty matters more than a clean story. Some biographical records list his Ibadan lecturing post as running to 1968. Others extend it to 1971 alongside his overseas posting. The exact overlap isn't fully settled in the public record, but every source agreed on the destination. By the late 1960s, Professor Frank Ndili had built a research career across 3 countries at a level almost no Nigerian scientist had reached before him. He could have stayed in Europe. Comfort, prestige, and some of the world's best-funded laboratories were his for the taking, but he chose to come back home. In 1971, after the end of the Nigerian genocidal war, Ndili joined the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, an institute still recovering from the devastation of the war. He rose fast, senior lecturer in 1971, head of Department of Physics from 1973 to 1976, then professor and dean of the Faculty of Physical Sciences in 1976. By this point, he was already being recognized as Africa's first professor of nuclear physics. In 1980, he became the 7th Vice Chancellor of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. He didn't just manage the institution, he rebuilt it. Under his leadership came the university's grand entryway, the Nnamdi Azikiwe Library, the School of General Studies, and the Faculty of Arts Complex, structures that still stand today as evidence of a mind that planned in decades, not semesters. He served until 1985, when Professor Chimere Ikoku succeeded him, following a period of inquiry that colleagues still remember him as having faced with honesty rather than evasion. In 2016, the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, conferred on him the title of Professor Emeritus, a lifetime honor for scholars whose work will shape the institution itself. On the 13th of February 2024, Professor Frank Nwachukwu Ndili passed away at the age of 90, surrounded by his family, closing a chapter that had opened 70 years earlier in a classroom somewhere in Asaba. A man from Asaba became the first Nigerian to hold a PhD in nuclear and high-energy particle physics. A man from Asaba became Africa's first professor of nuclear physics. A man from Asaba rebuilt one of Nigeria's greatest universities after war had reduced it to rubble. This is not a side note in Igbo history. This is heartbeat of Igbo history. To every son and daughter of Asaba who has never hesitated to claim that identity, your heritage was never a limitation. It built libraries, it split atoms, it rebuilt a university from scratch. Wear it proudly.
May God bless the university.
Amen.
Bless all of you who have passed through it.
Amen.
Bless all of us who ran the university.
Amen. Amen.
Our aim was to develop the university along the lines defined by Nnamdi Azikiwe, who is my hero.
Yes.
And I came to do his university proud.
Yes, sir.
And I hope I tried.
Yes, you did.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you enjoyed watching this documentary about the phenomenal achievements and contributions of Professor Frank Nwachukwu Ndili to Igbo development, please hit the subscribe button. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Share this video to your audience. My name once again is Prince Onwadenim Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Bye!